करें शुरू शाबाश कर।
My dear numbers, wake up, wake up, wake up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which people are to die? 6, 7, 8, and 9. What without you each and fine. My dear number, what number were you without you? Hey, where is zero? He was between us, but I don't know. Where is he now? Do you know he is very important? So you are the number very important. How? There is one sun and moon created by Allah. Allah is one. We have two eyes, two teeth, two legs, two paws, and two ears, two hair. How can triangle that is without me? Which is the fastest animal in the because it runs on four legs. We eat bread 5 times in a day. And do not that Allah is created the earth and the heaven within a 6 days.
शाबाश।